In this video, I'll show you how to print on glossy paper using your Canon G3270 PIXMA MegaTank. You can achieve this by connecting your printer to your smartphone. I have a few videos on how this can be done, but in this particular video, I'll show you how to connect it to a PC computer. To connect this printer to the internet, we need to use these arrows over here, up and down, to navigate until you see settings over there. Then press OK and select the first option, which should be LAN settings. Wait a few seconds. And then we're going to have three different choices here. The first one is Wi-Fi, and this is what we want to select with the OK button. Then go down until you select Wi-Fi setup, press OK. From here, you need to go over there where it says Wi-Fi setup, press OK. Then go down and select manual connection. Wait a few seconds. And here you're going to have a list of all the different Wi-Fi networks that are located around your printer. Use these arrows to find your Wi-Fi network. Mine is the first one. Press OK. Press OK. Press OK. OK. And now we have to enter the password of this network. Press OK. And then we need to use this very, very small keyboard on the screen and these arrows. If you want to have access to numbers, you just have to go on this corner, click once, and you'll have numbers and symbols if your password contains such a thing. Once you're done typing, select OK, press OK on the printer itself, and wait a few seconds so it connects with your Wi-Fi router. Press OK. Once your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network, we need to go on the Canon website. This came included in the box with the printer. If you do not have it, here you go. You need to go on this website. Obviously, if your Canon model is different, this will be different. So you can also not type this part over here and simply go on this link, and you'll be able to choose then the Canon model of your choice. So you're going to have this screen. Press the start button. Then go ahead and click over here, connect to a computer, smartphone, and click on download. Make sure your browser allows you to download stuff. If you see this, press on open Microsoft Store, and it opened the Microsoft Store to get it from there. If you have an older Windows version, you won't get this option. So over here, click on Get. Then press open. When this is done, press agree. Press next. Press on add printer, and well, mine is already added, but I still clicked it. You'll get through this screen. Press yes. Agree. So over here it simply tells you to keep it on, turn your printer on, press next. It will then search for your printer. Both your PC computer and your printer should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Select it from this list, press next. Then select continue. Okay, you're gonna get this green check mark. Then you're going to have this page. Click next. Finally, they will ask you to print a test page, but you're not obligated. You can simply click next, and we're going to print our own page anyway. Here you can press yes or no if you want Canon Ink Jet Smart Connect to your taskbar. I prefer not, so I'll click no. And from here, I'm going to close this screen. Now let's insert some glossy paper in the Canon printer, and to do so you just have to remove any plain paper. Here I have two sheets. I align them and I will place them with the glossy side facing you like this. Okay, now on your computer you're gonna open the file you want to print, the picture. Over here I have this one, And what I'll do is I'll simply press the print button the same way you're doing to print anything else. But now what's very important here is, well, first make sure that under printer your Canon printer is selected, then press properties, and under media type here you need to select photo paper and then glossy photo paper. This is important. If you do not select glossy paper, the problem is that the ink will smear on your glossy paper. So once you have selected this, then you have also quality here that you can choose between high, standard. If you're on a Mac or a smartphone, you can also choose a lower quality, but in any case, when you print pictures, always choose high. If you do not choose this, you may have some lines, you may have some artifacts on your picture that are not great to see. So I have chosen high and I have chosen glossy paper. These are the two settings that you must choose when printing pictures. Press OK here. The paper is loaded and I will press the print button. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe. Take a look at the Amazon affiliate links in the description down below if you want to get some glossy paper for your printer. You're also supporting my channel every time you do this, and I'll see you in the next video.